Hello everyone, and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to address a very common question: how to merge a Fortnite account. Many players have items and memories spread across different accounts and want to bring them all together. Now, we are going to look at the official policy from Epic Games and discuss the one and only option you have left to try. This is a very important topic, so let's jump right into it. All right. Before we go any further, we need to get straight to the main and important piece of information. If you go to the official Epic Games support page and click on it, it clearly states that there is no way to merge Epic Games accounts. This means there is no button you can press and no online tool that you can use to merge two Epic Games accounts anymore. Player support also officially states that they're unable to assist with requests for merging accounts. So any video or website claiming to have a secret method or a special link is unfortunately incorrect or likely a scam. So what you can do is, while the official feature is gone, there's one last option that you can try, but please keep in mind the success rate of this method is extremely low and mostly impossible. So the only chance you have to merge your Epic Games account is to contact the Epic Games support directly. So scroll down and you should be able to see an option called Contact Us. Click on that and then sign in with your account. So once you're logged in, you will be able to see this report option over here. Now what you do is first click on the platform option and choose which platform you are playing on. So let's say, for example, PC. Then in the product, choose Fortnite. And after that, in the contact reason, click on that option. Just simply choose Link Console Account. Now, in the Describe Your Problem section, just simply type a simple message. So in the message section or the description section, just type a simple message like, "Hello Epic Games Support Team. I'm writing to respectfully ask if there's any possibility of merging my two Fortnite accounts. My older account," then mention the older account right over here, "holds many items and memories from the early days of Fortnite's journey. It would mean a great deal to me to be able to access those items again on my main account. Merging them would allow me to enjoy everything I've collected over the years in one place. I understand this feature is discontinued, but I would be very grateful if you could consider my unique situation. Thank you for your time and consideration." Then just simply click on Continue. Now, after you've written your message, the response will be sent and they will contact you through the registered email address of your Epic Games account. So it'll take some time and they will give their decision in your email. And if you're lucky, they will help you with the merging, and if not, they will completely decline your request. That's it. As you can see, there's no secret trick to merging Fortnite accounts anymore. The only path is to contact Epic Games support directly to make your case. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.